Hello everyone, amidst the coronavirus outbreak, how often have you been asked to wash your hands? Quite a lot, right? Well, this simple experiment will show us the importance of washing our hands. All you need is water, plate, hand wash and pepper. Now let us pour some water into the plate. This water represents our skin or body. Now let us add some germs. For that we are going to add some pepper. Let us dip our finger in the water and see what happens. Look how the germs stick to our hands. Yuck! We do not wash our hands and we touch things that other people have touched, or we sneeze on our hands and shake hands or play with each other. We spread these germs and the germs can get us very bad and very sicky. Now let us take a few drops of hand wash and on our finger and dip it in the water. Wow! Did you see what happened right now? We pushed all the germs away, right? So now I hope you all know the importance of washing our hands. These are some tips to remember to protect yourself from COVID-19. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water is not available, use a hand sanitizer that contains 60% of alcohol. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth while you are outside. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's work together and stop spreading germs. Stay safe, stay blessed and thank you.